This is going to demonstrate a couple of little tricks that you can use if you're not in love with your scans that you get. So here I'm going to be doing a ICL Anatomy, which spreads out these meridians around the horizontal. And let me just fill this. Here comes the water. It's a little chilly. I'm just watching for the water to come up through the hose, and then I can shut it off. There we go. Whenever you're ready, open. Okay, right here, I'm going to start, and it's going through these meridians. He's looking right at the fixation light, so now they're starting. And I could see as I was scanning here that there were a couple, like this one right here, that's not good. So I'm just going to right click on this image and hit rescan. Hold it right there. Don't look around. Much better. Now, if I go down, there's another one that's really, really bad, this one. This is the ciliary processes. I have no idea how he did that. That's but we're just going to rescan that one. Much better. Here, I just want to show you the focus line is not quite right here. So I'm going to go to this auto range, and I'm going to change this to cornea. And I'm going to take a measurement of this scan. Let me just get this here. I'm going to take a measurement from the cornea to the lens, 2.867. So as I go back to scan, I'm going to click on the auto range, and I'm going to have it from the cornea. And I'm just going to fill in that number here, 2.86. Actually, I'm just going to put 2.87. And I'm going to rescan that, and we're going to see where the focus line will move. Excellent. See how that is much better right there? Much better focus. I'm just going to show you one other thing. If we were to take a look at this image, for example, just pull it over. And I think what on this nomogram here. Okay, so if I go down to this image, as I was going through here, I thought I noticed a cyst in one of these images. So that's something that we would want to know before surgery, because the doctor would want to take that into account. So right, I think it was on this one, there's a hint of a cyst right here. You can see a wall, a cyst wall, and that is at the 335 degree meridian. So it's that direction a little bit. So I'm going to go back to scan, and this one I'm going to close in on this by doing the nomogram, and then I'm just going to shift this entire series of meridians just by grabbing onto the ends of the lines, and then just do one more scan and see if we can pick up that cyst. Yep, it's just on the edge of it. Let me get you out of here. So if you are in the clinic and you notice an abnormality, you can move your meridians to wherever the area of interest is. If you went to the anterior, which only has one meridian, you'd be out, and it was at, say it was at 1 o'clock. I can just go here to 1 o'clock, increase the number of meridians. And just open this up a little bit and capture a range of that pathology. I think that's it.
We hope this was educational. Again, give us a call if you have any questions. We're here to help you. Thank you.